I will teach you what is the inside of uh, chargers. What is the inside of 12 volt DC SMPS power supplies or charger. So these are the two chargers. Take a look inside what is inside. First, open this one. We take a NTC thermistor. First there's a fuse. Live those fuse to the PTC thermistor. Neutral those directly to PTC thermistor as well as full bridge rectifier, smoothing capacitor, line filter, inductor, and this filter can generate the opposite magnetic field to the right side, which means live wire to left neutral wire. So that's why there's tension noise for internally with electricity. So there's the other smoothing capacitor, some limits and some assembly components, and output transformer to this diode, capacitor stables, inductor to lionize filtration, other smoothing capacity, other inductor, and this optotraptor and this type. First, those fuse to capacitors, which is no any value mark. PTC, this is NTC. I mean NTC resistor, full bridge rectifier based on 1007 diode 4 capacitor, 10 microfarad 400 volt, line filtration coil, discharge, self-induction discharge resistor. Because this coil is magnetic field collapse when run off, it is shunt back, so it is a discharge 56 kilo resistor. So moving the other smoothing capacitor, 33 microfarad and 400 volts. This dose, negative dose, 1 ohms to IC pin number 1, and pin number 2 goes to optotraptor collector, pin 3 goes to optotraptor ammeter, as well as this capacitor 4.7 microfarad 50 volt, negative positive dose. This diode 1 and 4007 positive, negative dose under ohm resistor to coil, feedback coil, and feedback coil will connected to the pin number 3 of this IC. And this diode oppositely connected other diode negative, other positive goes to this resistors, which is 680 kilo ohms, 2 in series. So there's nothing in positive line, and there's a Zener diode which is no reading mark, so it is nothing unknown value capacitor to positive, as well as 6.8 kilo ohm, mean 120 kilo ohm resistance series, and 6.8 ohm and 104 capacitor in parallel. And outputs those this as you with 150 ohm slash 0 ohm to MOSFET there, just like there with jump cross there, and MOSFET discharge resistors 18 kilo ohms to directly to negative, so it is N channel MOSFET. And now exploring the circuit first. When those positive voltage input fuse for protection, input voltage for short circuit, and capacitor for limited inelastic resistors stabilized voltage, the full bridge rectifier, AC to DC convert, smooth noise cancellation and other smooth and limited turn voltage clamps and clamps right there. It is voltage clamp by this capacitor with 680 ohm resistor and these two resistors, and limit other resistance and charge this coil. And when this coil, and also when MOSFET is closed, so this coil positive directly connect there. One side is connect positive and other side is connected. Source is another ohm to negative. So when MOSFET is turned on, this generate a primary coil generate magnetic field, which takes this coil feedback, which is limited by 1 under ohm resistor, and convert the AC to DC with single diode and smooth and sense this chip. So now those output is AC form, secondary state with this MBR 10 100T I ampere diode to DC convert and smooth this 100 microfarad 16 volt, 2 pieces in parallel, and 1 inductor for noise cancellation and other fuse, so it is a double fuse protection. And those other capacitor for 16 volt 220 microfarad. I mean, yes, and other filtration and output. So this circuit is fundamental. Is this? Other there are optodopters. I am pleased to show how to make optodopter to convert in relay, but there are optodopters is used to use this pulse place because there are voltage reference resistor. I mean IC, which is convert a variable voltage convert by voltage regulator IC, which is net with this voltage divider to reference. So this an anode to negative and cathode to positive. I mean, yes, and this cathode with 430 ohms to the positive optodopter, negative optodopter is connected for anode. So when there are when is adjusted by this voltage, it is a constantly set. When voltage is lower this side, so for example, input voltage is dim, so output voltage is also below. When low the output voltage, this can monitor the voltage regulate. So it is this IC, this optodopter was 6 volts input. So when it is 12 volt, is 12 volt converting into 6 volt for the feeding this optodopter. When low this voltage is 12 volt, so above this also low this 6 volt because it is this IC regulates 12 volt into 6 volt. When input voltage is lower, output voltage is also lower. When this lower, this LED is dimmer. This LED send to the light to the photoresistor, which is on build with optodopter, which can slowly turn pass with this IC negative terminals to, I mean this feedback signal to 0 ohm limit into this IC. This IC can generate a candle pulse with high speed, which can trigger this transformer more fastly, and this is generate output voltage more boost. So it is a voltage stabilizers. First those fuse and parallel with live neutral PTC for protected over voltage. Inner strength limited 100 ohm resistor. Capacitor for stabilized AC voltage, line filter for noise cancellation, and full bridge rectifier, and smoothing capacitor, and bootstrap circuit, and main transformer, and isolated summit capacitor, output noise filtration, output full bridge rectifier, output capacitor, output LED indicator with resistors, and inductor and other smoothing capacitor. So this is SMPS and optodopter right there for stable and main mode. SMPS power supply, which means switch mode power supply, switch mode regulator power supply, is basically designed to made for operating with variable voltage, for example 120, 160, 180 on 220 volt or 240 volt, output still constant. Other transformer might be not work very well, so other transformer power supply you can get the output overloaded voltage was with output voltage of drops. So it is also maintain output voltage as well as with different ranges of the input voltage, but this range is not on this charger. Limit of this charge without with no to high, no to low above this limit. So otherwise this burn this charger. Assembly chip. So most assembly what is components are made lots of effort to this reverse engineering this circuit, and there is this capacitor for this stabilize this voltage, and I think those that circuit. So there are fuse, resistor, I mean capacitor. Capacitor is 450 volt, 1 microfarad with 3 micro-ohm. This charge is passed to this capacitor, and those 1 ohm inner strength limited noise filtration. There is no induction in this self induction. This charge is full bridge rectifier, full bridge goes to this capacitor, 50 volts, 4.7 microfarad negative, as well as to unknown capacitor negative, as well as setting an unknown value capacitor as 0 ohm resistance. 0 ohm resistors at this cluster of this DCF 102 m output after cluster emitter, also known as the negative of the full bridge rectifier, and emitter also connected to this IC pin number 1, and this is pin number 3, and this pin number 4 is connected to this resistor, and this pin number 3 is to this MOSFET with 6.8 ohm resistors JCF 4 and 60. So drain source is connected to the positive, drain is connected to the coil. So there are feedback windings, M7 one diode for AC DC convert, and other 33 ohm for limit voltage capacitor for stabilize, and other 1 micro for limited more resistance, more current and discharge by this ground connection. And so this also feedback, and feedback 1 and feedback 2, those this parallel with M7 diode for discharge induction, as well as this point also to directly negative with 80 ohm resistors, and this one those it's not to 1 ohm resistors to 68 ohm resistors in cross series, 68 ohm resistor 2, so it is connected both in parallel, which is with 1 ohm resistor, and bridge to the IC pin, and with smoothing capacitor for smooth stabilize. That's now those positive with this capacitor for galvanic isolation to output, and outputs in AC forms, which those with the negative one is those that to the capacitor, which is I not written, but 1000 microfarad 16 volt capacitor to line filter and inductor to output, as well as positive dose to diode B220-817, which are transistor built with 2 diodes, power diodes with positive capacitor and underline inductor. So there are other capacitors resistor in one non-electrolytic capacitor in series, so 33 ohm resistor parallel, and one capacitor in series to make little bit alternative current pass for, I mean it is not passed to this capacitor charge with 33 ohm resistor cross this diode. It is acts like a load. So this output is also though directly to and 4.7 kilo ohm 4.470 kilo ohms resistance to anode pin after cathode pin and anode pin also this charge resistors, which is might be 2.4 kilo ohm and 0 ohm to cathode, which is going to right there with LED negative, as well as this resistors, pair of resistors, and positive directly those for 1.2 dead ohms for LED, and as well as directly positive those to this resistor, which is a voltage divider. One is 18K and one is 5.6K. This is 18K, it is a 460K, and this is a 18K in series. Output stabilizes capacitor and those this regulator reference, and this output and this positive negative those are other 10 kilo ohm for anode, and cathode is directly to negative. And this video is end with next video very soon.